Welcome back, coding champions and future software engineers. You have officially arrived at day 85 of our intensive 90-day Python programming masterclass brought to you by Edulexis. Today is a massive turning point in your career trajectory because we are shifting our focus entirely from writing code inside your local development environment to building a powerful, professional online identity. Over the next 15 minutes, we are going to break down the exact strategies, frameworks, and insider techniques you need to successfully showcase your Python projects on LinkedIn so that recruiters, hiring managers, and industry peers take immediate notice of your talent. Let us address the elephant in the room. Why does LinkedIn matter so much for a Python developer? Think of LinkedIn as the digital storefront for your entire professional career. Whether you are aiming for your first junior internship, transitioning careers into tech, or targeting a senior role, hiring managers rarely rely solely on a standard resume anymore. They want concrete proof of your problem-solving abilities. Your GitHub repository acts as your private workshop where you build things, but LinkedIn is your public art gallery where you display your finest creations. Let us transform your profile into a magnet for opportunities. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make when starting out is dumping every single script, tutorial, and basic calculator they have ever written onto their feed or profile. Quality beats absolute quantity every single time. 4. An impactful portfolio, you want to carefully curate 3 to 5 standout projects that highlight completely different skill sets. For example, feature 1 data analysis project using pandas and matplotlib, 1 web automation or scraping script using Beautiful Soup or Selenium, and 1 backend web application built with Flask or Fast API. This demonstrates true versatility to anyone evaluating your technical capability. When you share a project on LinkedIn, you cannot just drop a raw link and hope for the best. You need a structured copywriting framework. A high converting post always consists of 3 vital components: a compelling hook, the technical meat, and a clear call to action. Start your post with an engaging hook such as, "Tired of manually tracking prices online? I built a Python automated web scraper that saves me hours every week." Next, dive into the technical meat by explaining the problem statement, your specific solution architecture, and the exact tech stack you used. Finish with a clean link directing them to your source code. When writing about your code, avoid getting bogged down in an overload of technical jargon that obscures the actual value of what you built. Instead, focus heavily on real-world impact and utility. Did your automation script reduce manual processing time by 80%? Did your data dashboard uncover a fascinating insight about global weather trends? Tell a captivating story around the problem. Employers love hearing narratives about how you independently identified a friction point in the real world and use the core programming competencies learned right here at Edulexis to engineer a clean, efficient solution. Text captions and code blocks are essential, but visual media is what actually stops people from scrolling past your post in a busy feed. Always accompany your project posts with a dynamic GIF, a short 60-second video demonstration, or crisp screenshots of your live dashboard or application interface. If you built a web app, include a brief screen recording showcasing the user flow from start to finish. Human beings are inherently visual creatures, and prospective employers are vastly more likely to engage with and remember content when they can immediately see your code running seamlessly in action. Always remember that your LinkedIn post is merely the marketing trailer. Your GitHub repository is the main feature film. Before you link any project on LinkedIn, make certain your repository features a pristine, professional README file. A project without a detailed README file is like walking into a bookstore and finding a book with a blank cover. Your documentation Should clearly outline what the project does, installation prerequisites, step-by-step instructions on how to run your code locally, and potential future improvements you plan to implement. Visibility on LinkedIn relies heavily on smart algorithm placement, which means your use of hashtags and tags must be deliberate and measured. Incorporate core industry tags such as #Python, #programming, #Edulexis, and #portfolio building. Furthermore, if your project relies on specific open source libraries, make sure to tag those ecosystems or mention relevant developer communities like #Pandas or #Flask. Avoid spamming dozens of random, unrelated hashtags, as this can flag your post as low quality and diminish your organic reach across the network. Publishing your project post is only 50% of the battle, the remaining half depends on how actively you engage with the community afterward. When fellow developers or recruiters leave comments, make it a point to reply thoughtfully. If someone asks a technical question about an optimization choice you made, explain your underlying logic with enthusiasm and clarity. This proactive communication demonstrates to hiring managers that you are not just capable of writing isolated code behind a screen, but that you possess strong interpersonal communication skills and make an incredible team player. Did you know LinkedIn provides a prime piece of digital real estate right at the top of your profile called the featured section? This is where you should pin your absolute best project posts. When a recruiter lands on your profile page, your featured items are among the first things they see, even if they missed your latest real-time feed update. Pin your most complex script, your best data visualization dashboard, or your capstone project from Edulexis right here to guarantee that every single profile visitor immediately sees proof of your top-tier technical capabilities. As you grow and accumulate a dozen or more impressive Python projects, managing individual links can become cumbersome. Consider building a lightweight personal portfolio website or utilizing tools like Linktree to centralize all your project repositories, live deployment links, and contact information into one clean landing page. Place this master link directly into your LinkedIn bio and contact info section. It creates a frictionless experience, allowing recruiters to navigate through your entire professional digital footprint with just a single click. Portfolio building is never a one-time chore, it is an ongoing, evolving process that mirrors your professional growth. As you continue advancing through your programming journey, make it a habit to regularly update your LinkedIn profile. Every time you achieve a major learning milestone such as mastering a new library, deploying a web app, or completing a rigorous 90-day program like ours, share a summary post or display your certificate. Keeping your profile active signals to the algorithm and recruiters that you are continuously learning and staying sharp. There is a distinct professional advantage to highlighting your affiliation with a structured learning community. Mentioning that you are completing the rigorous 90-day Python program by Edulexis signals dedication, discipline, and a structured approach to master software development. Be sure to weave this into your LinkedIn headline, your professional summary, or your experience section. Recruiters heavily value candidates who invest structured time into continuous skill acquisition and displaying the Edulexis badge gives immediate context to your rapid technical evolution. If you are actively seeking entry-level developer roles, freelance gigs, or technical internships, do not be shy about making your intentions crystal clear. You can include a professional, polite call to action right at the conclusion of your project showcase posts, such as, "I am currently exploring entry-level Python developer opportunities, let us connect." Additionally, ensure your LinkedIn profile settings have that open to work feature enabled for recruiters. Being transparent about your career goals makes it exceptionally easy for hiring teams to reach out to you directly. We have covered a tremendous amount of ground today, from structuring high-impact posts and writing engaging descriptions to optimizing your GitHub readme files and utilizing the featured section. Now it is time to turn this knowledge into concrete action. Take one of your favorite Python scripts today, polish up its repository, and publish your very first professional portfolio post on LinkedIn. Be sure to tag Edulexis so we can celebrate your achievements and cheer you on. Tomorrow, we take the next big step forward in our program. Thank you for joining today's session. Keep writing brilliant code, stay consistent, and I will see you all tomorrow.
Thank you for watching. Like if you learned something, share with your circle, and subscribe for more.